So for question 41 from the homework, it's about aerogel, right? They tell us that aerogel's got one of the lowest known densities of any solid. And they tell us, right, the density is 3 milligrams per cubic centimeter. What they want to know is in 1 cubic foot of aerogel, right? They want to know how many pounds that would be. And they don't tell us, but we know that in 1 pound, we have 454 grams. That's a conversion we're going to need. So this one is a little bit tricky because we've got volume in cubic centimeters, we've got volume in cubic feet, right? So we need to connect cubic feet to cubic centimeters. So to start this problem, all I did was look up that 1 foot, right? 1 foot is 30.48 centimeters. So a cubic foot, right, is 1 foot by 1 foot by 1 foot, right? Length times width times height. So a cubic foot, to convert that to cubic centimeters, I'm just going to multiply 30.48 by 30.48 by 30.48, right, to make a cube. So 30.48 cubed, right, 30.48 centimeters cubed is going to give me my volume. Right, so 30.48 to the 3, and I get a volume of like 28,316, 0.8 cubic centimeters. Now I can use density because we've converted, right, that volume from cubic feet to cubic centimeters. Density is already in cubic centimeters. If this was an exam, I would give you, right, 1 foot is 30.48 centimeters, right? I myself didn't know how many centimeters are in a foot, so I looked that up. So we've got 28,316.8 cubic centimeters. The density tells me for every cubic centimeter, I need 3 milligrams. So cubic centimeters cancel out, and we multiply by 3. To get about 84,950 milligrams, right? Eventually we want to get to pounds. I know I can go from milligrams to grams and then grams to pounds. So 84,950.5 milligrams. The metric system tells us for every 1 gram, I've got 1,000 milligrams. So we divide by 1,000, got 84.9505 grams. The last step would be then to say, right, for every 1 pound, I have to have 454 grams of this material. So, right, milligrams canceled, grams cancel out. We divide by 454. And I get an answer of like 0.1871 pounds. How many significant figures should we have in that answer? Yeah, 2 significant figures. I added an extra significant figure here in the density. It should just be 3.0 for the density. So that's the only number they gave us, was the 3.0. I would say that's 2 significant figures. We should report our final answer to 2 significant figures. So we would say 0.19 pounds, or in scientific notation, right, 1.9 e to the -1 pounds for question 41 from the homework.